Hi friends, I'm Tilak and you're watching Tech Made Me Unique.
So in this video, I'm just going to show how to insert shapes on Google Docs. So you just need to click on the insert option here. Then you don't have any shapes option here, but you just having a drawing option here. Just click this drawing and go to the creating new. And here you have a tools to make a shapes. You can see the shapes option here. So here you can see a lot of shapes and arrows, callouts and equations. So I just going to show the shapes. So there's a lot of the shapes that you can, for an example, we can choose a basic shape, a triangle. So we just can hold it and make a triangle from here. You can also make another shape, for example different shape like this. You can adjust it and vertical and a horizontal position, and after creating your shape you just want to click on the save and close. So now you can see shapes has been created, but if you created two or more shapes you should adjust the shapes by including the two shapes. So if you want to make a individual shapes, you just need to make only one shape at the time. You just need to go to the insert option here, then go to the drawing option and click new. Now go to the shape icon here, then go to the shapes. Now for an example I'm just going to do this, okay, and click save and close. You can type anything for about the here by using this, and you can also create the shapes that you like. So I think this video will help you to insert the shapes on Google Docs, and if you like this video, share this video with your friends and don't forget to click on subscribe button below to watch more videos about Google Docs on this channel. Thanks for watching this video.